Best deals.
1. Tadka pan. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Grill. Made of high-grade stainless steel materials and high-quality mesh wire, and easy to clean, great for making pulka, roti, chapati, papad bengan bharta and more. The grill has an attached wide hole in the handle for hanging purpose. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Waffle maker. Simply plug it in and preheat the waffle iron machine. When the indicator light shuts off, you can start cooking. It has a dual-sided non-stick surface. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tawa. Made of high-quality triple E material. 0% contact with aluminum and 100% PFOA free. Inner layer is stainless steel and the middle is pure aluminum core and exterior is made of stainless steel which makes heat retention of all side of tawa. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Egg boiler. The electric egg boiler with dual layer steamer can cook up to 14 eggs at once, making it a versatile and efficient appliance, equipped with 2 adjustable power settings, providing versatility. The adjustable power ensures your food is cooked to perfection. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Casserole. Made up of food-grade plastic materials and a stainless steel inside with a thick pur insulation which keeps the food warm for longer hours and retains the flavor. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Pressure cooker. Heat-resistant handle designed to fit the curve of your palm, ensuring comfortable and safe handling during cooking. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Pancake tawa. Glass lid traps steam effectively and cooks faster, makes food tastier, perfect for making uttapam, fluffy egg omelette, chilla, thalipit made up of German non-stick on hard anodized surface. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Grill pan. The grill pan made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer, it is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Bowl. Can be used for reheating in the microwave or for baking in the oven. 100% food grade stainless steel for inside and plastic coating of polypropylene at the outside. They have a wide mouth with rolled rim for sturdy grip and their flat base ensures countertop stability. The plastic lids are airtight, leak-proof retaining the freshness of stored food for long hours. Shape with wide mouth and rolled rim ensures sturdy grip for pouring. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cast iron grill. Multifunctional cast iron bake pot suitable for roasting, baking sweet potatoes, and more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Teapot. With a generous size stainless steel mesh strainer, any tea can be brewed to a great taste, black, green, white, oolong, or herbal. Drop your desired amount of loose leaf tea into the infuser and gently pour boiled water through the infuser into the teapot. Pot comes in an elegant design. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Copper handy bowl. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Electric rice and pasta cooker. Elegant and compact multi-cooker seamlessly matches any modern kitchen and is ideal for dorms, travel, and camping. The compact size allows for easy storage and transportation. Thickened handle provides heat insulation, ensuring safe use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cookware. Features pure coat technology that makes the utensil smoother to use and easier to wash. The spiral bottom of the cookware has been scientifically developed to ensure even heating. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Tea pan. With its non-stick surface and glass lid, this saucepan ensures even heat distribution, allowing for efficient cooking and preventing food from sticking. Its ergonomic design coupled with the glass lid allows for easy monitoring. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Teapot with infuser. Durable and elegant design, perfect for brewing loose leaf tea. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Frying pot. Stainless steel material provides even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Casserole. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Pizza pan. With hammer tone finish at bottom which resists extra heat, and provides even heat distribution, easy to use and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cake mold. Crafted from 100% food-grade premium quality aluminum, these cake pans boast a fixed bottom, making them perfect for molding cakes, sugar paste, chocolates, ice cream, and desserts. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Fry pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron fry pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Cast iron dosa tawa. Is ideal for preparing delicious crispy dosa, set dosa, chapati, fulka and paratha. Tawa comes pre-seasoned, allowing you to dive straight into your culinary creations without any hassle. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Yogurt maker. With its fully automatic feature, a yogurt maker for home just needs you to plug it in to start making yogurt or natto and rice wine, other great sources of probiotics. Machine will let you make enough healthy and nutritious yogurt to share with your loved ones. Features a food-grade stainless steel pot to effectively prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cooker. Made from highly durable food-grade virgin aluminum, features a hard anodized base, outer stainless steel pressure laid to ensure zero residue on the surface. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Frying pan. Features the optimal material, which is featured by the non-stick coating of stone, bakelite handle, and the pan is non-stick, abrasion-resistant and durable, and the pan features the beautiful and elegant wood grain texture, and the pan features the heat insulation and anti-scalding, comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Tope. Can hold heat for long duration, distribute the heat and oil quickly and evenly as you cook, ideal to stir, saute in everyday cooking. Food safe, durable and ideal for everyday use. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Waffle maker. Features a food-grade, safe, non-stick Teflon coating for easy release of waffles and effortless cleaning. This waffle maker is designed for fast, even heating, ensuring a perfectly golden and crispy result every time. Create delicious waffles, ice cream cones, waffle bowls, and even crepes with ease. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Clay pot. Zero use of chemicals and colors that imparts uniform reddish color to the finished product. Clay is somewhat porous so heat and moisture circulate through the pot, unlike metal and enamel pots, therefore it is perfect for slow cooking without overheating. This helps retain all the natural vitamins and minerals of the food. Clay pots add many essential nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium and sulfur to food. Clay is alkaline in nature, hence it interacts with the acidity in the food and neutralizes the pH balance, thereby reducing the common stomach problems that even youngsters in the grab of due to excessive consumption of fast foods. Clay contains all the possible vitamins, even vitamin B12. Product link is given in the 29th link. Thanks for watching.